What's up, YouTube? Giants269 at the card shop. Gonna bust a box of 2011 Bowman Jumbo.
Richie's back. I haven't busted cards in months, Tom. Months.
Can I choose one?
No.
Just for fun, let me choose this one.
Okay. The middle one. Okay. Dude, they're thick. Remember, I told you this is the walk-off right here. The Bryce Harper auto first pack. Wouldn't that be sick?
Just call out the Harpers. The black is nothing, and then the chrome.
Fred Givens, Chavez, JD Martinez, Broxton, Joe Mauer.
And
It's not atomic.
First pack, empty, 0-1.
What do you get? 3, 6, 12 packs on.
Yeah. Ubaldo, traded, right?
Yeah.
Harpers or belts? Can I have a belt when you get a belt? Sammy Solis. Ben Paulson. Nody Cabrera. Alright, still no hits. And Ubaldo, Bowman's best. I think I got the super fractor right here. Huh?
I'm not saying nothing. Another one, dog. Come on, give me a numbered one, right? Oh, there's something silver back there.
Oh, I see a refractor. Brandon Belt. Can I have it?
No.
Can we have the belt? I'm a Giants. Refractor.
Dude, you've opened like 12 boxes. You got plenty of...
Refractor. Of Austin Hyatt.
Is that an auto? No?
No. It's
Just
numbered.
a refractor.
It's numbered though.
I thought at first the little hat.
Put it on the side there.
And Pineda. Montero.
Can I have that?
No. What are those numbered? 7?
Huh?
Those are,
Refractors? Like
yeah.
700?
Yeah, 777, right?
$7.99.
Chris Carter.
Blue. There's a blue. I think it should be auto. Oh, slow roll. Slow roll the blue.
I
Who
don't know. Adonis Corona. I don't know.
At least it's a blue.
It's a blue one.
That's good though. Blues, they sell pretty well. Out of 150 only.
That's pretty good, right?
Yeah. Actually,
Who's he pitching for? The Rays? I want a gold, right? A gold Harper. Ben Paulson.
No, the Harper autos are not chrome. Which one's that?
Prado.
Sensuchu.
There's a gold one back there. Just
Oh, it's a refractor. Another refractor, dude? Oh, that would have been nice if it was auto. Can I have that?
No.
Come on.
Pineda. No, dude, you can't have it. That would have been nice if it was auto.
Yeah, Brandon Belt, refractor auto. Thanks, Dad.
No.
Come on, I'm a Belt fan.
Oh, there's a gold card in there.
Ain't no gold.
Look at it, orange or something.
Oh, there's an orange. Nope. Oh, I got a redemption. Redemption. What'd you get? Bowman Chrome Rookie Base Auto.
Don't know who that is.
No,
right?
that's either
Gordon.
Who's that pitcher? Who's that pitcher that throws 106?
Oh, Chapman?
Yeah, Aroldis Chapman or
That's a decent one then.
or Freddie Freeman.
Oh, dude, I'll take that. That's a good pull then.
Yeah.
That's my second one, though, T?
Yeah, you're done.
No, I get 3.
It's in my pack.
Redemption. Red, green. Come on. There it is.
Mason Williams. I don't have this one, Mason Williams.
That was it, huh? T. Okay, I'm done.
Can I have the rest?
No, because I still think I'm gonna get my Harper. Dude, I get not one fucking Harper in here.
You haven't got a Harper yet,
We
huh?
got not one.
Did you? Yeah, I don't see no Harper up there.
I like Stanton.
Wagner. Paul Goldschmidt, he's
Goldschmidt, yeah.
legit.
Ben Wallace is good
Yeah.
too.
Can I have the Goldschmidt?
No. They put a Bowman Best in all of them, right?
Yeah.
Fuck, dude. I thought I was gonna get something good there.
I'm gonna take this one.
No.
At least give me the belt on it.
No.
Another Goldschmidt. Could you be shut out on the Harpers? Blue. Nope. Oh, you got another blue refractor. Slow roll. If it's a Harper, it's not a Harper. Because I can see the team already. What team is it? No. Oh, that's legit, dude.
Yeah, he's good.
I pulled a gold auto of this guy.
How far? Did you really?
Yeah, and I sold it for
Oh, he's
a
legit.
little bit over
Yeah.
2. No, I sold it for almost 3. Yeah, almost 3.
Did you really?
Yeah. You'll get some good money for that. You want this one?
Yeah.
No fun today.
Small business.
Still no Harper, huh?
Wow.
Oh, you're being shut out on the Harper. Last pack.
Second to last. Still got one more right there.
No, that's mine, though.
You're tripping.
Huh?
It's got my Harper in it. Dude, not one Harper, T.
Dang, I should have got this a blue. Not Harper. Oh, look at that. Yep. Alright, check out. Let me open this last pack. Huh?
Okay.
I'll show you my luck. Last pack. Whatever is in here is mine.
No, shut up. That's not no deal.
That's the deal.
No,
man.
it's no deal.
Whatever is in here is mine.
Give me my Bryce Harper.
Like D. Gordon. Hector Noelzi, he's legit. There's my Bryce Harper right there.
Fool.
Huh?
Now give me my auto of Bryce Harper. It's a blue one in there. Dude, come on. Hit it.
Oh, Willie Cabrera.
Ah.
Chichioko.
All that in just one freaking Harper.
One Harper. That's it. Show them the hits.
Cool.
Alright, here's a recap. We got a base rookie redemption, blue refractor of Adonis Cardona, and Mason Williams auto right there. And picked up one Harper and one belt refractor that my friend's gonna give me. Giants 269, I'm out.